Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create a zoom in effect on DaVinci Resolve 19. So initially you want to bring your clip into the timeline. You can go by doing that in Media, click and drag your clip into the timeline, right? Now what we want to do is go up to Inspector and make sure that the video is selected, and you can tell that by it being highlighted in red. We're going to click on video, and now we have the transform settings right over here. Let's click on the player head one more time so we can kind of get a nice standing. We're going to leave the player head right over here in the beginning of the clip. And now what we want to do is click on this keyframe right here. So we're going to click on it, and now it turned red. Now what we're going to do is bring the player head over to the right, and we can bring it to the end of the clip or wherever we want it to end. And now we're going to go to the zoom effect, click, and drag it to the right to zoom in. And now what we have with this keyframe active is a nice zoom in effect. So let's check it out. And that's how you zoom in on DaVinci Resolve 19. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. Have a great day, guys.